account that is doing close to $60,000 to $70,000 a month in sales. Hello everyone, welcome. Now I brought in another case study of account that is doing close to $60,000 to $70,000 a month in sales. That will be close to 60 lakhs, 50 to 60 lakhs in Indian rupees a month. And for this account, the ACOS is running really good, around 18 to 19%, with a really profitable TACOS. Now, for this account, one thing really surprised me is their organic rank and their PPC rankings. Now, that is what I want to show you. Now, obviously, we are going to do whatever in our hand to improve those, to improve the conversion rate. But let me first show you. So if you don't know me, my name is Sami Akhtar. I'm the founder of Regrow Media. It is a full-service Amazon marketing agency where we are managing 60 plus brands with 35 plus team members. Now, here you can see the sales dashboard. If I just change the date range from December, they've done close to 51 lakhs, 82,000. That is 52 lakhs. That will be close to around $65,000 a month. Now, if I just show you year-to-date sales, sorry, I can't show you year-to-date sales because it is just the first month of this year. So let me show you from January 2021 to January 2022. They've done close to 4 crore 3 lakhs 39,000 rupees in sales a year. That will be close to $500,000 in sales, a little bit more than that. Probably $600,000 to $700,000 a year in sale. Now let me show you their advertising, how it is going. So if you just see the advertising, let me just do last 30 days. It is around 18.06%, which is really good because their TACOS is very profitable. But you know what influences the TACOS most? The organic rank. And that is what they are not putting more effort into. A lot of sellers want quick sales, but quick sale you can expect, you can get the quick sale, but the quick sale will not continue if your SEO is not proper. So that is what we identified with this account. So let me just show you for this account what we see. So if you see their ranking, this is Helium 10. If you want a subscription of Helium 10, I'm not sure why you are not using it, because you can't track your ranking, you can't track your keyword performance, you can't track competitors' keywords, you can't track the market without using a tool like this. I have a coupon code below. You can save 20% for the next 6 months. Click on the link below. There is an option there, affiliate link. I'll earn some commission from it. So you can check that out. And also, if you want us to audit your ASIN, any of your ASIN, and want us to suggest that, okay, these are the past where you need to improve more, to increase more conversion, share us. There is a link below. Apply there. My team will contact you. Share us your ASIN. My team will do a personalized loan video for you and share it to you so that you can improve the conversion rate. So here you can see for this particular account, for this top seller, this is the top seller. Okay. And here you can see the total keywords is 1041. The sponsored keyword is 237, which is really low. I'm not sure why they are not advertising. So the organic keywords is 271. This is really low, isn't it? I'm not sure how these are top seller and how long they will hold the position. I'm really doubtful of it. I'm sure you are as well. So when we see a product, let's assume they're ranking for their sponsored keywords are 500. We should aim at least 2,000 to 2,500 organic keywords that their product should rank for. Otherwise, SEO is not proper. You can't expect your ranking to stick longer. Your ranking will be there once you're running the ads. You'll get sales through ads. Your ACOS will be maybe high or low because it depends on the keywords you're targeting and your product conversion. But your organic ranking, your organic sales will be very low. And when your organic sales are very low, you are getting maximum sales through your PPC, your TACOS increases. And TACOS is the main thing that determines your profitability. So here, their ranking for sponsored keywords is only 237, which is really low. It should be minimum 500 to 1,000. The organic keywords is 271, which is really low. If the ranking sponsored product is 237, they should at least aim for 800 to 1,200 organic keyword ranking. Now, how do they do it? That is obviously very low because in the next 3 months, we generally target to rank for 2,000 to 3,000 organic keywords. Otherwise, you can't expect a good organic sales. Now, organic sales are slow. They come with time, but you can't expect to start your business today or launch a product today and expect a tremendous profit, which is not possible. Obviously, you need to give 3 months to 4 months to build the listing, to make the listing matured, and then expect some profitability out of that listing. So here, obviously, we need to go through tremendous SEO optimization, starting from the front end to the back end, all text, everything, because maximum sellers don't even put importance to their all text. There's a lot of Chrome extension that tells you that which ASIN is using all text and whether they're using all the 99 characters or they're using only one word. So those are the parts where you need to improve. Obviously, you can use the search term, which is now Genric keyword, that you can use to put misspellings. You can use the alt text part and tags to use your main keywords and other language, regional language. If you're selling in USA, use Spanish language. If you're selling in India, use Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, those type of languages. Now that is what I need to show you for this account. I'll come on again. Now, if you need us to audit your account, make sure you click the link below and submit your details. My team will contact you. Thank you so much.